Eddie G here from GF7 Fit, and you've been asking for more core stability exercises. And this particular video is gonna be for golf. Last week I did one, it's called Power Core for Golf. And so this is kind of a continuation, but this is more for stability. And so the first exercise is prone plank. I'm gonna put a video here side by side so you can see the video. And the prone plank, instead of just staying in that position with that prone position there, and not much to it, I'm gonna give you with hip extension. So you're extending your hips, challenging the core a little bit more, the stability, because in sports, you don't just use a muscle in isolation. They're always gonna be worked together. When you're taking that swing in golf, you're using all the muscles, they're all synchronized, they're all working together again. So that's gonna be your first exercise. You know, very straightforward. This video is gonna be underneath 5 minutes, okay? Or less than 5 minutes. The second exercise is prone plank. It looks exactly the same, a little bit more challenging now though, because you also have hip flexion and extension. What does it mean by hip flexion? Well, if you see the video here, instead of the other one where you're just extending the hips, keeping the legs straight, this one you're bending the legs, meaning you're bringing your knee towards your chest, and then you're extending the hip. It's forcing you to use more stabilizer muscles, more abdominal muscles, more oblique muscles, and also your rectus spinae muscles, which runs up and down the spine. You're challenging them, just like when you're challenging yourself when you're doing that swing in golf, so you can power that ball and try to get a good distance, a good meters or yards, however you want to measure it. But you know, you want to drive that golf, and these are the muscles that kind of help you do that. And so it takes us to our last one, resisted side planks. And you can see the video there. Instead of just doing a side plank or a side bridge and holding, I'm having you bring your hips down and back up, and also with a band, because obviously if you're playing golf, you're an athlete. Yes, golf is athletic. So you're using the band there, you're gonna get more resistance, because when you're lifting weights, when you're doing sports, when you're moving, you're getting resistance from your other muscles. It's called like the force coupling effect. Like, let's just say like the bicep, when it's flexing, the tricep is extending. They kind of work, one pushes, one pulls. So that's why I added a little bit of resistance band there for the side planks. And this is it. Hopefully you like this video. Sometimes I do longer videos, 10 minutes, 12 minutes. This was a shorter one, less than 5. Again, Eddie G, GF7 Fit. If you like these videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up for the video. Share it with people, you know, I mean, it's free. You know, I'm a smaller YouTube channel. That doesn't mean what I'm putting out is not good content. It just means that the content is not being seen. I really believe if it was being seen, have many more subscribers. But if you can help me out, I really appreciate it, and have a good one.